draws some eyes and draws a chin, then draws a plumply dumply grin.
Dada. Dada.
Helps his dad carve into place a simply dimply dumply face. Lights a light behind the grin to start a glowing from within. Rawr. Later wins the most applause and no surprise because perfect pumpkins really do make perfect jack-o'-lanterns too. Jack-o'-lanterns. To Julie Dallin, a real librarian. Rawr. 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 Go. Where you going?